Omphi phakathi kwakho no Shapa C kanye who was dating, or if it was dating?
No, but bra ayingendim.
Ayingendim utamsizo tethela. Ayingendim bra. Ayingendim bra like ayingendim tam yo. Ayingendim tam like intelinyani semsulu for real.
Cause bengazuyibuza le question. The reason why ndibuzile, I think I saw I status. Ananoma sibese sikabane sa status. But ku promote ingoma eno Chain. And then uChain uyacula. And then I think nguwe omileyo.
No Nikizino smash.
Yeah.
Yeah, like part time dafika bese studio Nikizino smash. So like thole ukuthi wabese Chain ama start clip ya le track like engekaphuma the track which is fanatic.
Yeah, fanatic. Yeah.
So engekaphuma track so excel qondo okay ama song studio so let's vibe to this verse.
Yeah.
I feel like yeah. So yaba way enjalo. I feel so akhondo enhlanganisa nayo.
Okay.